Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the image so OCR can succeed. Use a clear, straightened photo and crop tightly to the text area. This reduces noise and speeds processing. Then pick the tool that fits your needs. Phone app for quick scans, desktop OCR for privacy, or cloud API for automation. Make sure you set the correct language and enable auto orientation. Once done, you'll get cleaner recognition because OCR performs best on high contrast, 300 dpi, or better images with minimal skew. Now run the OCR process and focus on refinement. First, apply preprocessing, denoise, convert to binary, and deskew. This improves character separation. Start recognition with the correct language model, and if available, a page segmentation mode tuned for simple blocks or multi-column text. After OCR finishes, inspect the raw output. Common errors include similar characters like 0 versus O and 1 versus L. Use simple post-processing, regular expressions, spell check, or domain. Finally, export and verify the text to complete the workflow. Choose the right output: plain text for quick edits, searchable PDF for archiving, or structured JSON for downstream parsing. Manually verify any critical fields and annotate changes so you can trace corrections. If accuracy is still low, troubleshoot by recapturing the image with better lighting, increasing resolution, or switching OCR language/settings. If needed, try a different OCR engine. Diverse models often correct each other's weaknesses and resolve persistent recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.